Create. Upgrade. Global English University, Elite C1 English Substitutions. Part 1, Business Meetings. Instead of I think, say I maintain that. Instead of say it again, say could you elaborate? Instead of this is good, say this is exceptionally sound. Instead of we must, say we are compelled to. Instead of I understand, say I comprehend the nuances. Instead of it is a problem, say it presents a unique challenge. Instead of let's begin, say shall we commence? Part 2, Negotiations. Instead of we will give a say we can concede. Instead of it must be done, say it is imperative. Instead of tell us, say disclose the terms. Instead of this is too much, say this exceeds our threshold. Instead of the end of the deal, say the conclusion. Instead of this is final, say this is an ultimatum. Instead of give me, say furnish the details. Part 3, Global Networking. Instead of meet you, say engage with you. Instead of good to talk, say fruitful conversation. Instead of I know him, say I am acquainted with him. Instead of where are you, say where are you stationed. Instead of can we link, say may we explore synergies. Instead of this is for me, say this aligns with my goals. Instead of let me think, say give it due consideration. Instead of I am free, say I am available. Instead of I will tell you, say I will notify you. Instead of you are good, say you demonstrate proficiency. Part 4, Executive Presentations. Instead of I want to tell you, say I intend to outline. Instead of look at this map, say observe the trajectory. Instead of we did a good thing, say we achieved a significant milestone. Instead of the numbers are big, say the data points are robust. Instead of this is what it means, say this encapsulates the essence. Instead of let's think about this, say let's deliberate on the implications. Instead of we can do it, say we possess the prerequisite capabilities. Part 5, Business Correspondence. Instead of I am writing, say I am composing this communication. Instead of can you tell me, say could you enlighten me? Instead of the problem is big, say the challenge is multifaceted. Instead of it is clear what it means, say it encapsulates the strategic analysis. Instead of look at this report, say please perceive the detailed analysis. Instead of we must work harder, say we are compelled to augment our efforts. Part 6, Corporate Management. Instead of we have a problem, say a substantial challenge has materialized. Instead of they must change, say transformation is mandatory. Instead of I will ask them, say I shall elicit their perspectives. Instead of stop this now, say cease this endeavor. Instead of tell us the truth, say disclose the inherent realities. Instead of I am not happy, say I harbor reservations. Instead of look at the future, say perceive the ensuing trajectory. Closing message: if you found these executive upgrades helpful, ensure you like this video and subscribe to Global English University for more elite communication strategies. Join our community of global learners and take your professional status to the next level today.